Hello all beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is little different and super exciting because I'm going to share with you all my skincare and makeup essentials I packed for my recent trip to Andaman. So if you are curious to know what is in my travel kit, then stick around because we are about to dive in. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. Alright, so let's get started. So first, let's talk about skincare. You know how important it is to hydrate and protect your skin, especially when you're traveling to a sunny destination like Andaman. So I make sure to pack all my favorite face wash, face serum, moisturizer and sunscreen so that my skin feel fresh and rejuvenated throughout the day. Now moving on to the skincare, the simple refreshing facial wash is a must pack. Because of its hero ingredients, this face wash gives me a natural glow. Next I took with me this moisturizer. This is Clinique Moisture Surge. This one is very good for combination to oily skin and this works great for me. Next is Milani Rose Lip Balm and I just cannot live without this. Next is this Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. This one is my beach essential. Its lightweight formula provides broad spectrum protection. And for my body I am taking this, the Derma Company Quick Absorbing Sunscreen Spray. So these two will protect my skin from the harmful UV rays while I will enjoy the sun and sand. Plus they are absolutely non-greasy so that I'll be comfortable all day long. Next, on makeup essential, I like to keep it simple yet versatile when I'm traveling. As this vacation is all about relaxing, so I did not want to carry too much things, so I just packed whatever is needed. I absolutely skipped the foundation and eyeshadow palette. I'm not in a mood to carry these two things. As Andaman is full of beaches, I decided not to put too much makeup and let my skin breathe. So the first product is this Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Primer is very important, as I always say that any makeup product you're applying on your face has to go after this. Next product is this MAC Strobe Cream. This is my go-to for that beachy glow. It just adds a beautiful radiance to my skin, making me feel like a sun-kissed goddess. When I'm done with my whole face, I'll just apply this on the high points of my face just like a highlighter. Next product is this Hello Glow Tinted Moisturizer, and I have talked so many times about this product and you all know how much I love this. This gives me the perfect coverage while keeping my skin hydrated and looking very fresh. This gives very natural coverage and it has SPF 25 too. And it just makes your skin looks like your skin but better, and that always what I'm looking for. Next I'm going to talk about 3 eye pencils I took with me. One is this Chamber Brown Eye Pencil. This is my secret weapon guys for effortless beachy eyes. It just defines my eyes without looking too heavy. I love wearing brown kajal during daytime, it looks more natural. Next, I'm taking these 2 Swiss Beauties holographic eyeliners. They just add a touch of glamour to my makeup look. These are shimmery and long lasting and just perfect for that quick glam look. If I have done a nude eye look, then just this one on the lower lash line looks gorgeous. Next is K-Beauty Black Kajal. This is intense and stay even in the heat and humidity. And this is my go-to to create smoky eyes as well. In case if I need to go to a party during my vacation, so just in case, so better to carry this. Next is this Color Bar Wink with Love 14 Hours Stay Eyeliner. This is a must-have for defining my eyes guys. So this is smudge proof, so I never have to worry about that it will melt in the heat. Next is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Spray. This one is my makeup savior for the long days. It locks in my makeup and give me that fresh dewy finish that stays throughout the day. Next is this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick. This is my go-to for that lazy easy eye makeup. It's long lasting and it just adds that pop of color that stays throughout. This does not budge, and I'm somebody who does not want to spend too much time on makeup when I'm on my vacation. The time I want to spend on makeup is maximum 10 minutes. So this is just perfect for the quick glam look. Next is e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This one is so easy to use and it just gives me the perfect groomed brows. Then I top it with this Benefit Cosmetic 24 hours brow setter. This makes my eyebrows to stay as it is. Next is Maybelline Sky High Waterproof Mascara. This is waterproof and it adds volume and length without clumping. It will stay no matter what guys, in heat, in humidity, it stays perfect. So this one is just perfect for my beach days. Next is Too Faced Born This Way Concealer, and this one is my secret weapon to cover all my imperfections. This is long lasting, blends easily and gives a flawless finish. This is definitely my go-to. And I set my concealer with MAC Studio Fix powder. It just do a great job. Next is this Etude Dear Darling Water Tint. This one is my favorite for achieving that natural flush of colors on my cheeks. It is long lasting and it gives that healthy rosy glow that lasts all day long. You can see the texture here, it's so watery and it blends easily. I used to like Benetint and then I thought of trying this, and now this has become my favorite. And this one is my travel must have. This is Charlotte Tilbury Nudegasm Face Palette. This product is absolute bomb. It just define and add a beautiful glow to your face. Next I'm taking this Renee lip liner. It defines my lips and add that natural color that complement my skin tone. And this pretty much goes with all the lip shades, so this one is my favorite. For my lipstick, I just decided to take these three. I'll show you the colors. This one is Parul Garg Fire Lily, which is somewhat in nude brown. This is L'Oreal Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade I Choose. This is beautiful pink shade. And last is this Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Sellout. This one is a kind of peachy pink nude kind of color. So one brown nude, one pink and one peach nude color I've decided to carry with me. And I will carry this lip gloss as well. So just 3 lipsticks and 1 gloss I'm carrying, and trust me, this is very less because when it comes to lipstick I just get confused and I carry almost 10 to 15 lipsticks, but this time I have decided to carry only these. And of course, let's not forget the makeup remover, which is from Clinique, and my makeup removing wipes. These two are my most important product. If I forget any of the makeup product, that will do, but without this I just can't live. And I just want to add here that I'm also carrying with me this Multani Mitti Upton because I know how much sunscreen I apply. Whatever sunscreen I apply, I will get tanned. So it's better to carry this because twice a week, whenever I have time, I'm relaxing, I can just apply this so that my skin can also relax and rejuvenate. And for the same purpose, I'm taking this 2 sheet mask as well. These are from Minoso. Okay guys, so there you have it, my complete travel skincare and makeup essential kit. So these were my favorite products which will be my lifesaver during my trip, and I could not have asked for better companions. So that's a wrap for today's video. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in my travel kit and maybe even got some inspiration for your next adventure. If you did, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And please leave a comment sharing your favorite travel essentials. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.